Hello and welcome to the quarterly product release, this time for spring 2025. And now I would like to announce a few pipe additions for Iveco, for DAF and for Volvo. And on top of that, I'd like to mention that we have now relaunched our Euro 6 silencer range on a little bit more smarter and more competitive terms. So this time we offered them without the DPFs. And from the Mechatronics shelf, we have a little bit larger announcement. You already know we announced a range of LCV NOX sensors. On top of that, we have developed a brand new AdBlue injector for DAF, XF and CF trucks from 2018 onwards. Here we also have an AdBlue injector for Iveco S-Way. There's one more for Volvo. And there's 3 more pressure sensors for DAF and Cummins vehicles. Stay tuned for the next product news. Thank you for watching. Make sure to follow us on social media and see you next time.